Now, this video is the second part of the animal world's best civil engineers. If you find this video interesting, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will the link of the first part of this video below. 9. Bald eagle. They make a huge nest 3 meters wide and whopping 2 to 3 meters deep. These nests can be about 1.5 tons in weight. They make these nests from large sticks using their beaks and strong legs. Moss is added to these nests for the comfort of babies. They return to the same nest year after year. 8. Caddisfly larvae. Caddisfly larvae make a case around its body using stones, sticks, even gold and pearls. They are aquatic. They live about 2 years in these shells, and they make these cases to protect themselves from predators. Both their head and legs are out of these shells. They live in European countries in mountainous areas. 6. Squirrels. This cute little creature can make somewhat large nests about 14 inches long. Isn't that amazing? It's made of fiber, dried leaves, spiderweb, cotton and moss. They make this amazing nest on a strong hanging branch and they put the entrance in the side of it so the smaller babies won't fall off from it. They mostly prefer trees with bare fruits such as mango and jack. 7. Common tailor bird. These extraordinary nests are built by a small bird called the common tailor bird. They make these nests by choosing 2 long and strong leaves and then they make holes and then weave them by using spider webs. After weaving 2 leaves, they make an ordinary bird nest inside it by using fiber, cotton and dried leaves. The entrance to the nest is over these 2 leaves and they lay about 2 eggs. They prefer Asian countries like Sri Lanka. 5. Bees. There are many kinds of bees like the European bees and the Japanese bees. They make hives by digging floor or on trees. Every member of this hive have a special task to do, like protecting the hive from intruders, getting nectar. Only the queen lays eggs. You may have seen that these hives with many hexagon shapes. Do you know the reason for that? Hexagons are useful because they can hold the eggs and store the pollen and honey. 4. Swiftlet. This bird's nest is edible. They make this nest in Andaman Islands in limestone caves with use of their saliva. When they are exposed to sunlight, these nests become white gold in color. They lay 1 to 2 eggs at a time and they live in colonies. People use these nests to make a soup and eat it. 3. Weaver bird. Male bird make this elaborate nest using its strong beak. It makes it in a small hanging branch with using twigs, dried grass, leaves and roots. They weave it until it becomes like this. When he finishes making the nest, it puts some balls of mud and keep inside the nest and pastes fireflies on them to make a light at the night. These nests are waterproof. 2. Darwin's bark spider. This small spider makes the strongest web, which is 25 meters long. They spread their silk strand from a branch to another branch near rivers. Firstly, they shoot a long strand horizontally from a branch to another branch. Then they make a circular web like every spider, but it can be about 10 meters long. It takes many days to build it. After making it, every insect that flies over this river, like dragonflies, will be victims of these clever guys. And these webs can hold 32 insects at a time. 1. Picket fence cocoon. This new kind of cocoon is found in southern Peru of Amazon rainforest. This weird cocoon is protected by a fence made around the middle part of it, and these fences are strengthened by a multitude of connecting webs. The bow-like thing is the cocoon where the creature stays. The fence around even catches small insects like ants. When the animal comes out, it will eat the insects that are stuck around the fence. Actually, these animals aren't a kind of butterfly or moth. It's a spider. So we have come to the end of this video. Cheers guys, bye.